Okay. Can you?
Yep,
Okay, let's
started.
do from VNC again, so I can I can read.
Okay. Sure. So I'll add it in the video. So first thing you need to, I'll just close everything. So first thing you need to do RDP to the workstation which is called AH896266. I will make sure that you have the access for this one. So I'll start writing here what access is, what you need. RDP to AH896266. And then you will need the EPMs. Okay. Yes, after coming onto this workstation, go to Start menu and do VNC Viewer. So when you are into the VNC Viewer, uh, for the Apex application, we have three servers available. One is for QA and two is for prod. One prod is in Ontario and one prod is in Quebec. I'll show you the documentation on this one. Yeah, so these are the three servers. QA server name is WCalQKHU, prod is QAJY, and QA6H. So 6H server is in Ontario and QAJY server is in Longueuil.
Mhm.
I'll send you this information also. These are the three server names for Apex. For Apex. So when you are here, you will need to connect onto these servers. I will show you because you go in properties, you need to put the VNC server name with this port, and then you can give the name. So that's it. Then you can click OK, and you will be connected. So right
Wait, wait,
now,
wait. Can you go back? Sorry, sorry. Can you go back?
properties and the
So
VNC
VNC
server
server
name.
is the okay, and the
Yeah,
name. What's the
and
difference
then
between?
you can give any name. Just
Oh,
mention
okay.
prod Quebec or anything.
So even you remote login, you need to give it a VM. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right now you are window, right?
What?
Right now VNC viewer is a
Yes.
tool, right?
Yeah, VNC Viewer is a tool, and in that we have given the server name to connect. So if I click double click on here, I need to put my password, and where is my password?
I got it. Okay, I got it.
Yeah. So put your password here, and
Okay,
then this is the Red Hat Linux. You can connect to the system.
okay,
So and then you here click right click and it will give you the option to connect console.
okay.
So if any user will reach out to you, they are saying that I'll show you my chat. So they will reach out to you that can you assist me with resetting DX server app? Then you ask them like what's the error. So they will tell you it seems to be stuck. So the Apex application, it is called DX or DM. So it is like an archive application and there will be data. And so you can find the process to launch DX or DM. There are two things. So if you do ps-ef grep-i Apex. So you see right now there is no user because it is just me. So if any user has been logged into it, it will show you, it will like there will be username listed and the path will be like this. So the DM and DX application are launched two times. So let's see. In this case, what happens? There is a Apex DX and then there is a Apex DM. There are two things in DM. So there is a master DM and then there is a client DM. So master DM is launched automatically when we start the DM application. When we start DM app. So it will be launched automatically. And when users are reaching out to you that application is stuck and they do not see any data, that means they are talking about the client DM application where users will reach out to you. And they will be facing issues in client DM. Client DM is launched by the master DM application. So that means there is some problem with master. That's why client is showing them errors or client is showing empty. I do not have the screenshot which I can show you if it is so the master DM is launched by this thing. To launch the master DM, you need to send this command. And to launch the client DM, you need to send this command. And it is similar for DX also. To launch DX, you need to send, just change it here DX. I'll show you all. So master DM runs automatically when we reboot the application. So Jonathan has added this master into the reboot console itself. So whenever they reboot this server and when the server starts, this application get launched automatically. So whenever the client will be logged in, there won't be any issue. So now I will show you how client get launched. So just put this one, just remove this and click OK. Here it will launch this application. Mm, So if it is not generating anything, let's see, DX works. Dash APT, Apex. It's not working on this one. Let's see on the Quebec side. So that means nobody is using the Ontario server right now. See, there is one user who is working on the DX application.
Mm.
So if I launch DM here, yeah, so it will launch it like this.
Good.
And you see there is a data and it is written here client DM. And if you launch with dash M, it will be written here as master DM. So when
Good.
if the users will reach out to you, this space will look empty.
Okay.
So they will tell you that that means the application is stuck or the master DM is stuck and they are not able to archive this data. So in that case, we have only found the solution that rebooting the server helps because there are not many users who are using this server. So there will be only 2 or 3 users you will see who are working on this DX or DM. So in that case, like if one user is reaching out to you that it is not working, that means it is not working for other users also. So you can just straight away go to Jonathan and ask him to reboot this server. So once reboot is done, master will be automatically launched, and then you ask the user. You can also come here, check the data is coming, and then you can ask the user to, if you can also check So in both the cases, it is fine, and they will tell you, yeah, it is working. So mostly the users who reach out to me, it is like Marco reaches out to me, and then this time it was Jonathan Tebeka. And apart from that, also, I remember one or two users reach out regarding this. I don't have their names. So I now it is just this process. It is in Apex. That's all. And there is a Apex website. Let me show you where it is, that email. Yeah, here. So they will create a name for you. They will create your user here. So whenever you will receive an email, they will create Apex Turbine user site. Mm, uh, okay. Just a sec. I need to find. Just a sec. I'll stop sharing because I need to get my
Yeah, it's
password.
fine. It's fine.
Just a
Sorry.
sec.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
Uh, Apex is. Where is the Apex? Ah, okay, here. So it is with mansi.chabra and this is the password. Okay, so yeah, this is done. So I'll start sharing again. So my account is with mansi.chabra@dxc.com. So this is their website, and when you will receive this email that you can download the new, it will be near to the time around in October. They will send you the email that there is a new license available. Because you see, when we launched that DM application, it is the license is available for 1 year. So this year we have put the 2026 license, and it will be available till December. So before that, they will send you the new license, and you can just tell Mildred and Singh to install the new 2027. And so the email will be like this: a new license for Apex analysis has been uploaded to your account and it is ready to download. So you go to this website, they will create your account, and in that one, you can just click here, go to licenses, and you see the license is available here. 12/31, it is still 2026. So you can just download this license file here, and when you have that license file, this one, it will be like this .lick file. So you just copy this file, add it into the email, and send it to Mildred and Singh. This license is, it is called Flex LM license. So Flex LM licenses are done by Mildred and Singh. So whenever they will do the next change request according to their changes, they will install it onto the Apex server.
Okay.
And I'll check the issue list apart from that. This is the Apex mostly, and
Can you go back to the email, like the one you about the email you just showed me?
this one.
Yeah, can you forward this one to me? And the one
Sure.
you say, and also the previous one you say somebody will you will get an email.
Yeah, this email they
Okay,
will
all right,
send you
okay,
that you can take the
okay.
license from here.
How about the previous one? Previous one you say the one you showed me before this email.
Mm, I already sent, I think.
Okay, sure.
And mostly users will send email like this also. Can you do the Cubic server reset?
Okay. So you already sent me this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. They'll send you this email, then you reach out to Jonathan and ask him to reboot the server. Because rebooting the server also has the steps that he stops the services on the server and then he reboots it. So in that case, it is mostly taken by Jonathan, and he knows what he does. So yeah, he can just fix it.
Okay.
And apart from that, they will give you s underscore apex user on this one if you need to do something, or like if you need to kill some user and you do not have the access. So we need to raise a EPM for you. Just raise it side by side so that we don't forget. Mm, where is the apex? Apex should be here. Yeah, this DXDM apex. Please provide the access in the same way. What's your P badge?
Oh, okay. Let me give you. Let me write down for you. Uh, P929160. Here you go.
Okay. Why is it going to Mohammed? Mahmoud
Uh,
Rutherford.
you, H. Am I no H?
Oh, no H. Sorry. Okay.
Uh, Sorry.
Please provide access in the same way. Okay, this is done. And what else? So once you have the access, so we just need to make sure for the Apex, you have the s underscore Apex user. Sorry, s underscore Apex user. You should have this access. Access to all three servers, QA and prod. You should have the RDP and then as this three servers and then VNC setup. We will make sure you have all these things. And what else you need? I think that's it. So there is not much. So the next time, uh, let's say you need to kill some user or you need to kill this Apex application just to sometimes what will happen when you are launching this application, it will give you the errors like segmentation fault or let me see what else I can show you because it has not happened since last time. And so if there is a software maintenance agreement expired prompt is coming, it is related to. So yeah, if there is a software maintenance agreement expired prompt is coming, that means it is related to Flex LM license which has not been upgraded. Then you can check with Mildred and saying if they have upgraded the license or not, and maybe that thing is missing. Let me show you if I can show you that prompt. Software agreement license. Mildred, I need to search. Not here. It was, I think, Ignatius was there. Yeah, here it is.
Yeah. So this is a license.
So in 2023, we were having that issue. So this prompt was coming again and again. According to the terms of your license, the maintenance agreement for this application will expire in less than 30 days, and you had to click OK. And just because of this prompt, the master DM was getting stuck again and again. So in that case, what we had to do, we had to kill the master DM by manually, like it was not done automatically when we were doing the reboot. Just because of this prompt, it was not working properly. So if the master DM is not being launched properly, the client DM will also not work. So users were getting affected because of this prompt, and we were not able to launch the master DM properly. So we had to check with them that you need to give us the license. Because of this prompt, many users are getting affected, and this prompt was the resolution for the email which I showed you, that you will need to go onto this website and download the license. After that, it was resolved. They didn't, I don't remember exactly. I think they didn't send us the license on time. We had to reach out to them that give us the license, and then they reached out to Apex. Apex sent them license, then they sent us the license key. Mildred and Singh installed it on the server, and after that, this prompt went away. So till then, we had to manage, like me and Jonathan were working together. We were killing the master DM every time user was reaching out to us that client is not working. And after that, when we installed the license on the server, then Jonathan fixed the master DM by launching it through the server reboot. And after that, we had less applications. And since then, they have also taken care of the license. They just send us the license key every 2 to 3 months before the license expiration itself. So it is for the maintenance agreement license. If they will talk about Flex LM, that is the Flex LM license, but there is no server license itself. It will show you that it is still Infinity. So whenever Apex is talking about license, that means Flex LM is the one. Okay.
Okay, can you forward this one to me?
Yeah, you will need this one also.
So you said there are two licenses. One is flexible. What is that?
Flex LM.
First M. So that
Flex
one,
LM. Just a sec. So when they are talking about master eh, software agreement license, that is called Flex LM, which you will download from the website, Apex website, and send it to Mildred or Singh. Okay.
uh, so there's another one. Sounds like that's
No, that's
only
it.
one.
There is only
Okay,
one.
okay, all right,
This is the line you need to keep in your mind if there is any future issue comes regarding licenses.
okay.
This is
You show
the
me. Okay, sorry.
yeah, that's it. Mm-hmm.
So you show me one is that you download a server, and you show me at the beginning you say DM server. You show me another website. What's that? What's the difference between these two?
So it is like a data manager and DM is called just a sec. So when you see it is DM, that means data manager, and DX is something data execution. Just a sec. So if you download, yeah, DX is for signal processing. This is another application. So it will be launched like this. You do not have to do anything. There is no much work for us. We just need to make sure that these two applications are working fine for the user. And if it is not working fine, then just reboot the server and they will start working exactly the way user wants. So there is not much work. We do not have to go into the applications or show something which is not required. And I'll show you one more thing about Apex. So where is that PDF? Yeah. So I'll share this document also. If any new user comes and he needs to install these two applications on their server, like they have accesses to the new servers, but they need to add it into the VNC. So you can follow this document and see side by side what is the next step. So you can leave this step remote desktop. This is the older one. We do it now through VNC. So I gave you the information here that there are three servers, QA, prod 1, prod 2. You will need the sudo group which is called s_apex. You can become a root there and then you will do the su to become that user, su-s_apex. And once you have this s_apex, and then if you need to kill some user on the server or to kill some process on the server, you can use your root access. They will give you root on this.
Okay,
And after that, when Dana was there, she has done some yum installation for the packages or to increase the versions. I have not done it since I have joined this project. They have never asked me to do some versions upgrade or something. But if they reach out to you that they need some upper version, Or so you can refer to this document. The upper version can be installed by using the yum command.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
will be like yum install and the package name. So
Yep.
like here you will see that dxpackage.rpm file she has given, and then the package will start. It will ask you to uh, put the versions, like the total size of this package will be this. So you agree, you just put yes, and this will upgrade the server. That means then the server, sorry, the version has been upgraded to now 2020 for the DX. And if installation fails due to missing libraries, identify the missing libraries and install them before to run the package again. So in her case, maybe these libraries were missing, so she installed them, and after that, she ran the DX application, so it was fine. And if you need to zip the packages, then you can use the tar command. And for the associate flex lm triad licenses, in that case, what you can do, you can go onto the server by doing ssh, and then you can launch the software by using these two commands. For apex dx you write dx bin dx, and for dm you write dm/bin dm. So and that I showed you how you can just launch it, go to that server, and then you can launch it from there. And if any user comes that their license type is not matching, so you can come here, you can see what license. I have seen the issue that users were not able to launch the application, so they had this line missing into their host name. So when you launch the application for the first time, maybe for the DX or DM, it will ask you to locate your license. So you can put this command under host name and then click OK. So then there is no issue. The application will be launched perfectly fine. And if you need to,
That's Unix based, right?
yeah, exactly,
Okay.
as Unix. And if like someone is saying that application is working but they are not able to locate the license, then you can ask them to go to your DX application, and then you can bring out this pop-up from here, click on license product, and then change your host name here. So that is also easy. And yeah, and after that,
Wait. So this
sure.
one is from our server or is from users?
It is from our server, that QA ID. It is the FlexLM server. You need to give the host name to the user. Some users will reach out to you that their host name is missing. Can you ping me the host name for the application? So you can just send them this line.
Wait a minute. So the user complain.
Yeah. Like let's say if a new user has joined and he is not able to locate the license, that means his host name line is missing. You will see that host name is missing, it is blank. So you can ping them this line to ask them to update it here and then try to launch it. It will work.
Oh, I'm confused. So this is from our server. How can you tell user to update our server? I don't understand.
Because when they will be launching the Apex application, you need to give, our server means Pratt server. We are just managing it here.
Yeah, but I'm still confused. So the user doesn't cannot go to the cannot access our license.
Yeah,
Then
user does not have information, and mostly Apex team also does not have this information. So they will reach out to you that can you give us the host name.
so who will
So
contact me? I'm
users,
confused.
like I showed you, right? These type of users will come that their application is not launching fine. So can you help me locate the error? And then you can come here, follow this document, troubleshoot their issues, like their VNC is fine, the servers are launching fine. Then you try to launch the DX application and it will give you this pop-up. Then you match that pop-up with this information that host ID is matching, license type is matching, and if you see host name is matching, then it's fine. If host name is empty, then you put this line and click OK. The application should launch fine.
So
It's
if
not
this
that
happen,
complicated.
If this
Huh?
happens to one user, so every user will suffer, right?
No, no, no. Every user has this line into their DX application. So if one or two users will come to us that they're launching it for the first time and it's not working for them, so you troubleshoot and to make sure that they have the host name, they have all the properties which are available to launch this application.
Okay, so the user launch
Uh,
application from Unix as well, right?
Yeah, exactly. So
Oh, so you,
when they will be launching it, they will be launching it through these two commands in the Unix server.
oh, they will do it. Okay, not
Yeah,
us.
yeah. No, no, they will.
Okay, so okay. So every user will do this. So I will see many of such processes.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Okay,
Mhm.
understand.
Yeah. So I will send you this document as well that you also have it. And I'll send you my issue list also just to make sure that if any issue come across, you can check into my issue list also if I have done something different.
Okay.
And let's send that email also to the users so that everybody know that they can start working on your access and then they can remove my access. Uh, I'm transitioning to a new by five first rate insurance. I would like to introduce you who will be replacing me for Apec's DM. DXC, could you please add the email to the and remove my access for license? Please continue contacted.
Do you
And for
think that you
Apec,
don't? Maybe they don't need to remove your access for now. Do you think they will remove it after February 6th? So you
yeah,
can
they will
still.
remove it after February. And till then, I don't think anything is coming up. So if they give you access, then also we can troubleshoot it together. Not
Okay, got it.
much of a problem. So the email should go to all these users. Ignatius, let's see. So it should be Ignatius, Krishna, Marco, Nicola. Who else I have been working? So in CC should be Camby, Mildred, Singh, you.
What's the role of
Uh,
Canby in this? In Canby, what's Canby's role in regarding
Camby
to
is
the?
like
Uh,
managing the accesses, managing the escalations. That's all.
you mean escalation for only the Apec or everything? Everything you are in charge.
Mostly all the applications, Cami is like the escalation manager. So if anything is not working or it's been lagging or delaying, then user directly reach out to Cami.
Okay, got it. So
Users
everything.
or
Okay,
the managers of the applications.
okay. So
So
everything.
can
Not okay.
be, yeah, everything. Yeah. Camby will help you resolving your charge hours. Camby will help you if you are sending them emails, you need help and they are not replying to you, then Camby will get into the emails. And yeah, Camby will help you resolving any license issue, you have user issue, you have access issue, anything. And you are not getting support, so Camby will get into and help you.
Okay, got it.
Who else? Marco, Nicola. Who else is at Apex? Just a sec. Let's see. Browse the users list. Mm, there was Srinath, Sainath. I don't remember. Ragula something. Yeah, here it is. Ragula. Yeah, Sainath. So he is also working at Apex, so sometimes he will also reach out to you. And I'm not sure. Mostly Marco or Nicola are the top ones for the users. So first users will reach out to them, and if they need help from us, they will reach out to us. And if users need to reach out to us, Marco and Nicola will tell them to message you. So in this one, Ignatius is the top priority. Krishna is there. Marco, Nicola. Who else was on Dana's list? These people are already gone, so I think that's enough. Mm, who will be replacing me for the XC? Yeah, I think that's all. Let's see if they will need anything else. Your email is fine. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Yeah, this is done. So Apex is mostly this. This is done. And if I have anything else in Apex, this is not required. Apex DX. This folder, I got it from Dana. So if you want to find any missing information, or if I missed to give you any details, you can also go to this order mount. It is in Jocelyn. It is in under Design 14, and there is a folder called Dana. So Dana also has projects, and you can go into her uh, Apex here. So mostly you will get the most documentation you will get here. I only have which I encountered in my time period. So if they start the upgrades, or if they start to give you more responsibilities and you are missing anything, you can check here also if Diana has it in her document. I'll
Okay.
share this path also with you.
Okay.
So it is / automount cat design 14. Yeah. And then Dana. So we should have Dana's also. Let me see. So if we go here and automount cat design 14. I think somewhere Jocelyn is missing. Yeah, and then JOC and then Dana. So if we go straight away here, yep, it's working. So I'll send you the automount path also if anything more required on the Apex side. So okay, this is done.
Okay, so I have question. I have question.
Mhm.
So basically, let me summarize. I make sure my understanding is correct. So
Yeah.
this APEC, each user will initiate from Unix side. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes they have issue. We need to go to their account. I mean, we help them go to their account to see how they initiate. Sometimes they
Mm-hmm.
miss the host name and so on. But from
Right.
our side, and everybody uses Unix. I mean, but the only thing we need to go to a website is the license agreement. License agreement where a website we need to
L-
download the license. Is that right?
License agreement thing only will come once. The mostly users will reach out to you saying the DX application or DM application is stuck. Let's say I reached out to you and I'm asking you, hi Tim, the DM application is not working. Can you help me reboot the server? So what you will do, click and then you will ask him which server is can ask him which server, so he will send you either the Ontario server or the Quebec server. So you come here, go to VNC viewer, launch that server. Just a sec. So yeah. How do I close this thing? Okay, here. Yeah. So you come here, start the console, and you have the path how to launch this DM application. You start the application and you will see that it is not loading properly. It is empty. And you see the client DM. So that reproduces the error that what user is saying that's correct. It's not launching. Then message to Jonathan. So saying that app is stuck. Can you please reboot this server for the Apex DM application? I'll show you how do I message him. So you have okay, so I just message him directly. Can you restart this server for the Apex server? So he will say, yeah, he will reboot. Once he says, yeah, reboot is done, come back here. It will be all gone. So you relaunch this application again and you will see the data has started loading up, and then you message back to user asking, can you check now? It should be good. So then that's it. This is the one thing. Second thing, they come back to you saying their host name is missing and they are not able, their application is not able to locate the license. What you have to do, launch the DX application. Go to File, License Product, and here you need to make sure that they have this line. If this
Okay.
line is missing, send them this line and ask them to put it in here and click OK and restart the application. Then this should be good. This is the second
Restart
thing.
the restart who's the package? Restart the user the
Restart
package.
just application. Just close this and
Oh, okay,
then
got it, got
launch
it, got it,
again DX.
got it.
That's all.
Got it.
This is the second issue. Third issue, which I showed you, that prompt is coming and prompt is not going back because of this master is stuck. Prompt is the problem, then that means it is the license problem. And if they have not given you license, let's say by it is expiring on 31st December and you are already in December and they have not sent you license, so you can just send a proactive email to Ignatius and team saying that license will be expiring by end of this month and we will start having mess ups in the client and the master DM. So please send us the license. And in January, then the prompt will start coming back, which I sent you the email.
Mm.
Uh, this one, the
So
prompt and the prompt error, which is
so
coming
which
from the license.
so which group I should talk to?
Yeah, this Ignatius. Send an email to Ignatius, Krishna,
Okay. Okay.
asking them to send us the license. I have not received the license on the Apex users website. So they will make sure that you have the license. You reach out to Mildred and Singh to install it. And once installation is done, then there should not be any issue. That's all. We do not do anything more in Apex.
Okay. So there's no, but at the beginning of this KT, you say, hey, Tim, let me show you the website. You say Apec website. Is that the Apec Turbo user site?
Yeah, this is the site
Okay, what's this
which I
for?
showed you, where you will go and download the license.
Okay. Because
Yeah.
after they after they give us license, I can come to here to download
Yeah, you
license.
can come here, go to Apex Analysis Toolkit, uh, expand this one, then click on license. You will be here. Then click on licenses, and from here you will download this file.
So after I download, what do I do?
You so it will show you like this. You have this lick file. Copy this file into your email and send it to Mildred and Singh.
Okay. Sorry, I express. Yeah, you already told me, but sorry, I
No, no,
express.
no, no problem. It's okay. Like you can ask me so many questions right now. We have the time.
Sorry,
It's
sorry, sorry.
okay.
I'm not
It's
smart.
okay. Oh, no
I'm,
problem. It's
I'm,
not.
I'm slow.
No worries. I have been also there, so it's fine. You can ask as many questions as you want. We can go through the scenarios again and again just to make sure that you do not have any issues once I leave. Then there will be more problems.
Okay, I got it, got it.
Okay, that's all. So this is the Apex application.
So APEC, you
And
think is quiet now because Jonathan make it stable now?
yeah, Apex is very quiet. I have till now only once the issue came out. It was on January 6th. Yeah, after that I had no issues in Apex. And that
Got it.
was also that application is stuck. So I sent message to Jonathan, can you restart it? So he restarted, and after that it's fine. So
Okay,
no issues in Apex after that.
okay.
Okay, so Apex is done. I'm just not sure if I show you that XAuth or it is not required anymore. Let me see.
So when you say flex server means the whole license is talk about you call it a flex license server,
Yeah,
is that right?
yes, Flex LM license.
Okay.
So this is the issue list. I just wanted to make sure that I'll show you everything. This was not done. DM master should be running on both. Brought servers to launch DM client. So this, as per my notes, it says, as I told you, right, there are two things, master DM and client DM. Client
Mm.
DM will only launch if master DM is already running. So you need to make sure that when you are coming onto the server and you do ps-ef grep-i apex, so this should also be running. If it is not running, then also it describes the problem that why client DM has the issue, why user is reaching out to you.
Okay,
So just make sure that this should be running all the time.
okay,
That's what my note says. DM master should be running on both prod server to launch DM client. It will, if it doesn't show anything, that means there is some problem. It could be related to shared memory segment or segmentation fault. So in that case, become the s_apex user for prod to check why it's not launching the application. And in case if required, we'll need to kill some shared memory segments. So I'll show you a little extra. It's not required right now, but in case it is, so you will know like uh, so this is the DM, this is the command for master DM, okay? And in this one, because here, see, it is my user ID. I cannot launch this master DM from my user ID. It should be through the s_apex user. So what we can do in that case, we need to become first root sudo bin ssu Hmm. Okay, so now I'm root on the QAJY server, and now I will become s underscore apex. Apex. Oh, sorry. su dash s underscore apex. So now I'm s underscore apex. Let's say when I logged into this server, master was not there. Unless like Jonathan has made it stable, it should always be there. Let's just say 0.1% case it's not there. So you come onto the server, become root, become s underscore apex user, and then try to launch the master user from here as a s underscore apex user. You cannot do it as your user ID. You need to be s underscore apex to launch the master. And if still master gives you any problem, then the solution is reboot the server.
Got it.
Okay, then the next thing. So
Yep.
you do ps-ef grep-ai if it shows anything related. That was previously, now it does not happen anymore. For Apex, license will never expire, but the system maintenance agreement expires after 1 year. So if anyone is saying about license, that means they are talking about system agreement, not the license of the server. So in that case, so Pratt, Ignatius, or Krishna need to check with Apex to resolve the issue if anything comes related to prompt message or system maintenance agreement. If there is any, okay, in just one case, the application is not launching for the user, there is a display issue. Let's say, you know
Okay.
how to resolve display issues, right? Just do
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
xterm and it should
Yeah,
work.
yeah. That's for the
So
user.
yeah, just if you do xterm, that means display is fine. If the xterm is not launching, that means there is some problem because see, I am the user here, so xterm is working fine here. But if I try to launch xterm from the s underscore apex, it won't work. It will say you have the display problem.
Yep. Now I know. Yep.
So you can just export display, do it, and then export display, xcloak, xterm, do anything. It will resolve the display issue. And if you need to kill some user, like in this case, this user was there who was launching DX application. And if he reaches out to you saying that DX application is stuck, it's not launching for him, then become the root user and kill this user. That also, I think, or shall I show you?
Yeah, no, no, I know. I don't. You don't need to show
Okay.
me.
Okay, perfect. And this code dump, this is all related to master DM. If anything comes with master DM client DM, it is stuck, just ask Jonathan to reboot the server. It will resolve everything. Apart from that, this is done. And if they ask you to package upgrade, then you can download the package from Apex website and install it through yum install. And in
Okay, okay,
case
hold on,
packages,
hold on, hold on, hold on. Here's my question.
yeah,
So if I need to upgrade, I need to go to APEC website.
right.
So where is APEC website?
This is the one Apex website. And if they want you to upgrade the package, in that case, you need to go to, I have not done it, but let's find it here. So let's say if they want you to upgrade the package for DM, then in that case, you will go here and download this .rpm file. And then you install this RPM file
Okay,
using yum install.
got it, got it, got it, got it. So do you? Okay, okay. So
I
is
have
this
not
written?
done it. It was required by Dana. She has done it.
Is
After
that
that,
website? Is that
hmm,
website written in this document or it's not written in the document? The
it is
website.
written in the document.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, clear now.
Apart from that, I think that's it. There are no more. We have not discovered any new issues in here. Mostly this user issues, reboot, and that's it. And that the license. Mainly these two things will come in Apex. So I think we are good for Apex now. And once your EPM is sorted, so we will make sure that your VNC setup, everything is done. I will make sure that you are resolving the tickets. And this is sent to Karen. Okay, this is done. So if anything comes up in next 3 weeks, I will include you also with the user, and I will ask user also to reach out to you next time, and I will ask you what you need to do now. Okay?
Okay, can you? Sorry, maybe this is third time I ask you. So if license issue pop up, I need to go. How do I do again? Sorry, I need to go to Unix. I could give some command, or how do I go to the? How do I download the license? You told me
Okay.
license is. Yeah, how do I do it again? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. So in that case, go to the Apex website. Let's launch it from the first thing. This is done. Then, okay, let's go to Apex website. They will create your username and password, so you will launch it with your username. Okay, you are here. Put your email, put your password. You are logged in. Then go to Analysis Toolkit, expand this, and go to Licenses. So you have
Okay.
your license available and click on Download License.
Okay. Because the reason I'm confused is this website do two things. One is upgrade, one is license.
Yeah, one is license, one is upgrade.
Okay. Okay.
If they
That's
come
fine.
reach out to you for upgrade, then you go to what
Okay.
the like what level for what they want DX or DM. Then if they want DM, go to DM and there is a .rpm file available. So you
Okay.
can just tell them this is the new version available.
Because I was saying, hey, this website you told me before. Oh, so right now I understand. So the same website, upgrade
Yeah, on the
packaging is
same
here,
website.
but license
Exactly.
also here. So I download
Exactly.
license file and give to a major, right? I give to.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah. Okay, and now, okay, I want to make sure it's the same website because it looks
Yes.
familiar to me. Okay, now I
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
I will make sure
Perfect.
I understand.
Okay. So Apex is done. I think Apex is that's all.
But
And
who
then
will
the
give me the Apex user? If somebody, if I didn't have it, who should I follow up?
what?
Apec website. Is that the client or is our own?
It is
I
the
mean,
client. Then you can reach out to Ignatius or Krishna. They will help
okay.
you.
So they already knew I'm new. They are going to create for me now.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
sent the email, right? So they
Okay.
will create a user for you.
Got it. Got it. I understand now. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. To you,
Okay.
just same question. Sorry.
No, 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 no problem. It's fine. So Apex is done. And the LUM licenses, Mildred was saying she will take care of it, but I will show you both. So next Monday we have meeting on the LUM licenses. So I'll show you that time with Mildred, like how it is, how if Mildred has any issue or you have any issue, then you can check with both. Then you can check with each other. But I will show you this on next Monday. Okay.
What is LAM license? What is this?
LUM licenses, it is like it is used in CATIA v4. To launch CATIA v4, there are many users which need the licenses, and it can only be how do I say launched when the LUM license is available on the server. So LUM licenses are also uh, what I was saying, that you will have the cron jobs running, which will be sending you the information that uh, we received the email. One sec. Oh, I sent it to myself. Sorry. The yeah. So these are, yeah. So we have these cron jobs which are running for LUM licenses, and we have running as for in last 10 days how many licenses are expiring, in last 7 days how many are expiring, and in last 60 days how many are expiring. So you see these two X are expiring on Feb 1st. So we should receive the email from Robert Gutwein. He will send us the license and we will install it on the LUM server. There are 3 LUM servers. I have the documentation on that. Hmm, I think my again that's gone. Uh, yeah. So I have created this renewal steps, how to do it and how to launch the LUM. Do you have access to these 2 servers, QA 66 and 67? Can you
No,
check?
no, I'm sure I don't have.
Okay, so first thing we need this access also. Because this will help you in PLM Navigator, LUM, Career V4, DTran. So you need these two also. Let's send the email for you, PPM.
Thank you. So these are license server, right?
These are not license server, these are two XDM server. Using these 2 servers, we launch the DTran, which is on the container. We launch the CATIA V4. We work for PLM Navigator and we work for the Slum licenses also. So I'll show you one by one, but you need this access on hand right now. How do we do it? I think Unix, Linux. How do we get the access? Let's see. Unix, Linux account creation. How do we get the server for access? Access for server. Let me see in my. You need remote desktop access first. Let's copy this and send their remote desktop also. Through a next connect. Okay. I'll ask Mildred. She knows this thing. AH896266 for them. JPEG's old and young also. Yeah, she will do this thing. Let's leave this. Close this thing. So you will need sudos as well. Okay, let's send sudos also for you for dtran. This is a sudo. This is DX application. You need prod QA. You will need Katia v4. CM test servers, which are these? I don't know. Cloud, you do not need right now. And PLM Java, Jira. Why they gave me these? Ah, okay. Danny gave me these. You need these as well. You need ENGR ARC Okay. JV you will need. LUMS also you need. License also. WWID is gone. ED, yeah, you need Maureen also. V5, cat also, cat ADM. Can we select everything? PM user is gone. You need ITAR. Do you have EV6 ADM, I think?
Yes, I do.
Okay. ENG serve was also required. You need DT ADM, ENG or ADM, cat menu, CATIA. You need all these. CATIA is also required, cat ADM. Okay,
Well,
these
it
are
doesn't hurt that
required.
doesn't hurt you check on that EV6 ADM because I'm sure I have, but doesn't hurt
Shall I
to
check it? Okay.
yeah, it doesn't hurt in case this is different than I thought.
Okay, sure, no problem. EV6 ADM, I'm no longer using it because it's not required, but you should have it just in case you need. EV6 ADM, ITAR is done, so finish. What was the ID P929160? Please provide super roles to where the accent to man. Team will replace Nancy for the application support for that's it.
Thank
Okay,
you very
so
much.
once so sudo is done, remote is done, and then the SDO. What's SDO? We do not need VPN. We have it. Elevated rights. What is this? We have this one also. You need advanced search. Yes, this is the most required. Okay, let's execute this one also. You need all JView, QA, everything. Yep, this is done.
Q.
And advanced search, what is Citrix? Think we raised Citrix. This is Apex has done. Add-on search group Citrix, that's done. Yeah, you have Citrix now. So after that, I know we are V6, I'm not reporting. This is not required. And you have Oracle accounts, right? Prod IPD, CMT1. Do you have these?
No, I don't.
No? Okay.
No, I don't.
So you will need these two also. So let's create Oracle accounts for you. You need CMT1, Prod IPD, VPMP1, VPMT1. I have these, I think. Yeah. This we can close. Oracle account server admin rights, which is this. EPDW is gone. You don't need this. It is Windows. You have H drive, remote desktop. Okay, that is done. Yeah, you need this groups also, BID 1360. and you will need 1345 also. That will do. You will need access to WCAM OA11 server also. That also will be done through. We need now two things. One was this is done. Remote desktop. BID 1360. Yeah, two things. So this is done through Unix groups. How this one? It is under Windows. BID 1360. Where does it go? Unix group. You need many Unix groups also. So if we search with BID 1360, you will need, I think, 45 as well. Yeah. Okay, LDAP groups. Yeah, you need these two. And I think you need design also. Previous. BID 1360 design, Confluence, GitHub, and you need GitHub also. Hmm. Okay, we'll take care of this with JPEGs. That's fine. We'll just put this for dtrend right now. Yeah. And lastly, we'll just raise one more and MFT also you need. Unix, Linux. Is it? Yeah, it goes under Unix. They will need to create an account for you. It was in Toronto, and you will need one more on Ontario as well. Halifax is not required. What's the name? Email. '66, '67, Camo 11. You will need access to LUM servers. LUM servers. For DTran, you will need QA 66, QA 67, QAFY, CATIA v4 also same.
Do you mean LAM is container, D-train is the server, CATIA is the final, is the
DTran
real.
is different, CATIA v4 is different. LUM is required to run CATIA v4, so LUM is running on another 3 servers. I don't remember that name. I'm just filling this information so that like when we start working, you have the accesses. So we are not like asking for access and it is getting late.
Yeah.
So
So
we have DTran and
you
you
mean
have
CATIA v4 is, and the
we
D-train is
run
different,
CATIA v4. Yeah, okay. We run CATIA v4 through this server. I'll show you how.
and the D-train is different from CATIA v4?
Yes, yes. DTran is another application which we run through these servers. I'll show you.
And does D-train has anything to do with LAM?
No.
So LAM is, what's the relation between LAM and the CATIA v4?
CATIA v4 is like an application where users go to if they need to make any changes to their drawings, and it is like a 3D
Yeah,
3D
I know.
system, and it is from 1990s. That application needs LUM license to work. If the LUM license is not there, that application will not start.
Good.
Right now they are working on to put the CADIA v4 on the AIX server, and LUM, they are working on it so that the LUM will not be required anymore and it will work through DSLS licenses, but currently it is LUM licenses. And there are
Okay.
so many LUM licenses which expire every year and we need to upgrade them. So Robert Goodwine will send us the license files and we will upgrade it. I'll show you the upgrade process.
Okay. Yeah, that's high level is good also.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm just listing all the information and all the accesses you need so that you are ready by the end of third week, that you are ready to take over from there. So you then there is no server for JPATs, LUM is not there, IDEC authenticator is not there.
What's
Okay,
D-train for?
so
What's D-train is application?
DTran is like a data transfer application. Short name is called DTran.
Data transfer from what
Yes.
to,
Yeah, like
from where
they
to where?
transfer the CAD drawings, CAD products, PDF files, zip files through this application securely to outside suppliers or
Okay, I
and
got it.
suppliers also will send them internally.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, perfect. So where were we? Here, you will need QA 66, 67. LUM also, Mildred raised it for me, so I'll just add those 3 also. Here, where is LUM? It was raised by Mildred.
So
What's
can I
Mildred's
summarize
ID?
this way? Can I summarize this way? So you say CATIA 4 need a license server. License server is inside the LAM.
Yes.
Okay, got it. But you say in the future, it's not going to be in the license server. It's going to online server. Go to a dissociate.
It will be there just for another 1 or 2 year because they're already working on replacing LUM license with the DSLS license. So
Okay.
once the application will start with DSLS, they will just remove LUM. They will not. They will stop. They will stop renewing it.
It takes a few years, you think?
1 or 2 years because they're already on it.
Okay, got it.
I gave ID access to one. Just let him know he need to log in with. Okay, perfect. So you can. This is the JPEGs. I'll tell you. And can you also please raise access for LUM for Tim just in case a backup for you.
What is JPEG?
JPads is also an application. Uh, it is it is like we are working on the flight data which we are receiving. Okay, just a sec. I don't remember LUM. I have. What is Mildred's badge? Hmm. Okay, so it should be all here. It was somewhere around 2022. This one, I think. No, this is firewall. Sudo was there. Yeah, this is the one. We need sudo. Oh, okay. You need sudo. You need account and then you need sudos on this thing. Okay, so we will make sure you have this also. You need sudo for these three and those others. Okay, that sudo goes all onto all these accounts. We raised sudo already. Hmm. How do we raise sudo here? Lum admin de lab. Okay. So it will go under sudo. I think I already sent it for you. Just to make sure, I'll add it again. Lum is done, and how you need. Okay, so we'll finish this also. We'll need access to. We'll need to access these servers. Okay, your Unix account is done. Sudos are done. I'll just check my account. How can we give you access to QFI? I'll ask. That's different. Okay, so I think I have raised many EPMs for you. So
Thank you very much.
you're welcome. And we'll see, you will need to start getting accesses for all these accounts because what I'm showing you, you also will need to be able to do it through yourself just to make sure that it is working for you, just in case. We'll make these all access sorted within these 3 weeks and we will keep our KT continue. And yeah, apart from that, I'll check my EPM account and make sure if everything is, if anything is missing, I'll send it. You wanna go on lunch now? Shall we restart like after 2 p.m. or 2:30
Sure,
for
sure,
another application?
sure.
Okay.
Thank you
So,
for all the request, the permission request.
oh, perfect, no problem. You will need it eventually, and I just want the issues will be as less as you once I'm not here, so that it should not be a difficult transition for you. I just want to cover everything, whatever I'm working on, and whatever I can provide you with notes, so it will be easy for you after that.
Yes, very good. Can you go back to again the same list that you sent to Karen? I have some question for you.
Which one?
The one you sent to Karen about the KT list.
Ah, okay. Okay, sure. I'll share my screen. Sorry. Yeah.
Very high level. I want to ask, you say old D trend, you say almost gone. And
Yes.
Katia V4,
Uh,
can you tell me, just give me a very high summary? Which one is pretty frequent? Which one is almost gone? Which one is in the middle? So give me a big summary of each one of them.
Old DTran is almost gone. Very minimal work right now on this one.
Okay.
So it's not required. Katia V4, it's all, I have very minimal work on Katia V4 as well. I'm just giving you information that just in case they ask you, you should know like what you need to do and whatever my tasks were on it. So you will also have the same responsibility in case anyone comes or reach out to you to do the testing. Just in case that it is very minimal work, I'll show you how to do it.
Okay. And then continue.
And PLM Navigator, we only do whenever there is a new change coming in PLM Navigator, and Mark Riche will reach out to us to do the deployments. Basically, we help him in doing the deployments. So he will send us the jar files. We need to put that jar files onto the servers and then send the email. Basically, there are three versions in PLM Navigator. There is a desktop, Citrix, and web. So we need to make the jar file available for these three versions and send the email to the respective teams. Like for desktop, deployment will be done by Singh. For Citrix, it will be Matthew Iris. For web, it will be Robert Meyer or Michael Solovich. So we will send them the jar files. They will deploy onto their servers using their pipelines. When they will reply to us that, yeah, well, jar file is available, jar file has been deployed, Mark Riche will do the testing. And Mark Riche will confirm, yeah, okay, jar file is perfect, testing is done. This part is for QA. Then we have to do the same thing to put the jar file on the prod server. And then you call a meeting, you call all these persons into the meeting for whenever the change will be. For the same jar file, Mark Riche will send you the information what that jar file, like is it an enhancement or is it a bug fix or is it a new code. Similarly, you will raise a change request, go to the CAB meeting, get the change approved, and call the deployment day. Put the meeting. They all will deploy their jars. Mark Riche will do the testing, and that's all. This is the task we have to do in PLM Navigator. That's all.
Mhm. Okay,
We do
continue.
not touch PLM Navigator inside application. No, we do not have that responsibility. Then there comes the IDAC Authenticator. IDAC Authenticator was given to me by Tan when he was leaving. So it is like a Java-based application. And mostly they will call you, they will send you the tickets. Mostly they send tickets to Tan, and Tan will send it to us. And uh, if they will reach out to you when Than is not available, and I will show you like what you need to do. You just need to make sure that when P1 ticket is there, they will put your name into the on-call support. So if any issue comes up, they will send you the ticket. In IDAC Authenticator also, you need to make sure that part is available. I have the notes for IDAC Authenticator
No, it's okay.
here.
Don't go to details now. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so I'll
Yeah,
show you like how you
yeah,
need to do all these things.
yeah. I will
If
give to you.
any issue comes, what you need to do,
Right, right.
and that's all.
Yeah, only
LUM
high level.
licenses also, whenever it is only the tasks needed in January when all the licenses are expiring, then they will ask you to do in next January. So it is just once a year. Apex, I already told you. JPAT's mainly responsibility in this one is to send the report to the client. It will be twice a year. First 6 months data from January to June, and then second 6 months of data from July to December. So they will send you the data near around April. I will show you how you need to work on the reporting and then send it to the client. This is the main responsibility in JPATs. Apart from that, there are new requirements coming. I will show you what are those requirements, and their system is not ready yet, but they want us to by the time understand JPads, and there is already one requirement which we were working, but it's not complete. I will show you till what part we have completed, and you can take over from there. So meanwhile, like whenever you don't have any work in all these applications, you can put your time understanding the JPAT system. So it is the most like which we have where we have the most work, the JPATs one.
Okay, hold on. So you say JPEG is ongoing project?
Yeah, JPATs is like an ongoing project, but we do the reporting, and side by side we are working on the new work which they have given to us.
Okay. JPEG is a report to the client, right?
JPAT is like an application. It is connected to it is connected to the Oracle database, which we access using the SQL developer, and it is the flight mode data. And the main responsibility is reporting, but now they are expecting from you to complete the projects also. And
Wait.
because the
Okay,
language is C.
okay. Okay, I'm confused. So the main responsibility is report, but what do they expect from us?
They have two new projects like new enhancements coming in JPads compared to the previous code we have, which is in C. So because of the new enhancement, there will be need to upgrade the code, change the code as per the need. So I will show you how it is done.
Yeah. So we'll admit that to account. I mean, right now I only want to know high level. So you mean JPEG is a report. So they have some enhancement, but the
Yeah.
enhancement is all just enhance the report.
Not enhance the report, enhance the code according to that requirement. Let's say right now we have 18 columns into the JPET's report. They want to add one more column. So there will be code changes, not the reports.
Okay,
So this
but
is the
this is the one that I continue to use. There's no anything like a D train, they upgrade new D train. This one didn't
no,
have any plan. Okay,
no.
okay. So this one they didn't insource. There's no person inside the play we need to do this JPEG, only us.
Yeah, it is only us, and whenever you need help, Tan will help you.
Okay.
So your mostly go-to person for JPads and IDAC authenticator is Tan. Tan will help you whenever you will stuck.
So from your just very high level, we will go to detail at 2 o'clock. In very high level, you think JPEG is the time if I'm idle, you suggest me to put the time to in the JPEG enhancement, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
And you say IDEC still using, but the main person is 10. We are just
Yeah, main person is Tan and you are working as a Tan's backup. So when Tan is not there, they will send you tickets.
okay. And you say so the one you told me is that only JPEG and basically we are only JPEG. The other one either OD train is almost gone. Katia
Yeah,
V4 are using, right?
yes.
And okay. Apec. How about Apec? You think it's going to be disappear or what?
No, Apex will be there. It's a new application, so I don't think they will be decommissioning or doing something to it.
Okay. So which one you say you used to have many right now they are reduce our responsibility? Which one you think compared to today and 3 years ago? Which one you
It is
think is
DTran, which is like completely gone. I used to charge hours in DTran. And then Katia V4 also we had work. Right now there is no work. So there also hours are gone. IDAC Authenticator, I was putting hours because I was trying to learn the system. Uh, and yeah, and mostly JPads, I was charging hours to understand this application.
okay?
So
And
JPads, like I'm also completely not a master because from last year we started working on the enhancement side. So we have KT recordings from Tan. So I will send you those. And like when we are not working on the KTs, so you can listen to those recordings and understand the JPad system.
okay, all right. And the reason Katia V4 is less and less is because somebody inside PwC doing the work.
Yeah, because they are putting it on the AIX server. And right now, people have started using CATIA V5, V6. So
Oh,
V4
okay,
is just less and less. It's like almost 6 or 7 users only who are using CATIA V4 right now.
okay, okay. I just want to know. Yeah, we will meet
Yeah,
again at 2 o'clock. Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Okay,
Okay,
sure.
so shall we continue after lunch then?
Yeah. So
Okay.
what time, exact time? So we should come back. Two or two.
Maybe 2:30,
You
2:30 or
can.
3, anything is fine.
Yeah, I'll do what you suggest. Which one? But we need to know what time. What do you think?
Uh, Let's come back at 2:30 and then we'll see.
Sure. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
perfect.
Thank
Sure.
you. Thank you.
So you can stop the recording now and I'll send you the meeting invite for 2:30.
Thank you. How do I
Okay.
stop? Should
Just
I
go
just
here, record, stop recording.
record? Stop recording. Got it.
Perfect.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
then.